Hello everyone guys, so in this video we have the following equation. So we have 10 minus 10 multiplied by 10 plus 10. What I saw on the internet that most of the people are doing, they go from left to right without paying attention to the multiplication sign. But of course, if you remember from school, you have PEMDAS rule, which means that first you have the parentheses. In this case we don't have, then you do the exponents, again we don't have. Then the next step is the multiplication or division. In this case, we have multiplication, and at the end is the subtraction and the addition. So what the most of the people are doing? So in this equation, what they are doing, so the first they do the subtraction. So here, of course, 10 minus 10 is 0. Then they do the multiplication. So here we have 10. So we have 0 multiplied by 10 plus 10. So here 0 multiplied by 10 is 0 plus 10. They get 10. And of course, this is wrong. As mentioned before, we have PEMDAS rule where first we need to do the multiplication and then we do the subtraction and addition. So the correct way will be to do first the 10 multiplied by 10 as a first step. So what we get? So we get, okay, let me just write this quick. Plus 10. So what we get? We have 10 multiplied by 10. This is 100. So if going then later from left to right. So once you do the first ones, which is the multiplication, then if you have the equal operation, in this case subtraction and addition, then you do from left to right. So what we have 10 minus 100 plus 10. What we get? So 10 minus 100 is minus 90 plus 10, we get minus 80. So the result would be minus 80. And this, of course, is the correct result. So again, guys, please remember, always follow the PEMDAS rule, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, then addition and subtraction. In our case, we had to do the multiplication first, then we did the subtraction and the addition. Guys, thank you very much. Please hit the like button and subscribe and follow me for more. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.